Class. How do you? Right, in today's class, we're going to see how do you simplify Fourier series problems when the interval is given 0 to 2 pi or 0 to 2l. Why we should not use this Fourier series? Means to express any given function in terms of constant term and sine and cosine terms. Constant and sine and cosine terms, then we can use this Fourier series. So in the Fourier series, that interval should be in particular interval, that function should be a continuous function. So that interval should be either 0 to 2 pi or 0 to 2l. So that time only we can apply this Fourier series, right? What are the right? What are the types of interval we will study? First, I will write. So here, see Fourier series. Fourier series. Already I told, using this Fourier series, any function we can express in the form of sine and cosine, in the form of sine and cosine, right? Now, see what is that? See first Fourier series of f of x, Fourier series of f of x in the in the interval 0 to 2 pi or 0 to or minus pi to plus pi or minus pi to plus pi. So then that time we can use minus pi to plus pi. Then that time we can use minus pi to plus pi. Here in both cases, if you'll see, the length of the interval should be 2 pi because upper limit minus lower limit is 2 pi. Upper limit minus lower limit. Minus of minus lower limit should be here 2 pi you'll get. Fourier series of f of x in the interval 0 to 2 pi or minus pi to plus pi is defined as f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity an into cos nx plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity bn into sin nx. Now, what is a naught? See, how can I write a naught is nothing but in general I will write a naught equal to. In general, this interval only, I'll write c comma c plus 2 pi I'll write. So, in general, this is general way of expression of the interval length 2 pi. How c to c plus 2 pi means here you can give c is 0. If you give c is 0, 0, comma, 0 plus 2 pi is 0 to 2 pi only. If you give c is minus pi here, so minus pi plus 2 pi is again minus pi to plus pi will get. So that's the way I am expressing the interval 0 to 2 pi, minus pi to plus pi in general. This way, this is a general way of expression. Now I'll write a naught equal to 1 by pi into integration of c to c plus 2 pi I'll write. See, if it is 0 to 2 pi means c is 0 there. If it is minus pi to plus pi means c is minus pi there. Understood, I think. So f of x equal to, sorry, this is f of x expression. A naught equal to 1 by pi into c to c plus 2 pi f of x into dx. F of x into dx. Another one should be an equal to 1 by pi into integration of c to c plus 2 pi f of x into cos nx into dx. F of x into cos nx into dx. Another one should be bn equal to 1 by pi into integration of c to c plus 2 pi f of x into sin nx into dx. This is the formulas for a naught, a n, bn. Right. So when these formulas you use, whenever the interval should be c to c plus 2 pi is there. That means c is means 0 to 2 pi or minus pi to plus pi. Suppose this is first case I have done. Suppose sometimes if the interval length should be arbitrary, if the intervals is arbitrary intervals, how do you write? Next one, Fourier series of Fourier series of f of x in the interval 0 to 2l 0 to 2l or minus L to plus L is defined as here interval arbitrary length should be 2l. This also I will write c comma c plus 2l I will write in general. This is the general way of expression. This is the general way of expressing c comma c plus 2l. The time how do you write f of x? F of x equal to a naught by 2. This is a constant term plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity a n into cos n pi x by l plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity bn into sin n pi x by l bn into sin n pi x by l. One should be f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity a n into cos n pi x by l summation of n equal to 1 to infinity bn into sin n pi x by l. Now we'll write a naught equal to, here see I'll write a naught equal to 1 by l into integration of c to c plus 2l f of x into dx I'll write. That is the difference between arbitrary and normal 2 pi, period 2 pi. Here arbitrary period is 2l. There 2 pi. Next, bn equal to 1 by l into integration of c to c plus 2l into f of x into cos n pi x by l into dx. Next, sorry, this is an, not bn. An equal to so by mistakenly I written bn here. This is an. A suffix n. An equal to 1 by l into c to c plus 2l f of x into cos n pi x by l into dx. Bn equal to 1 by l into integration of c to c plus 2l f of x into sin n pi x by l into dx. This is the formulas. You should know that these formulas are all, if you know these formulas, you can simplify the problems very easily. See, two types of intervals we are discussing here. One is period 2 pi, another one should be period 2l. In period 2 pi, the interval should be minus pi to plus pi, Another one should be minus L to plus L. Right. Now, so already I told that. So here, two types of intervals. The two types of intervals we are segregating into again two types. See here, interval should be 0 to closed interval of 0 comma 2 pi. That one I am splitting into one should be over that 0 to 2 pi only. We are splitting 0 to 2 pi. This one should be over that minus pi to plus pi. Another type should be here minus pi to plus pi. Here in both cases, length of interval is 2 pi. Length of interval 2 pi. Next one should be 0 to 2l, and next one should be r minus l to plus l. Length of the interval is interval is 2l here. Understood? I think how I am finding this. You should understand here. So why I am writing, I will tell here. I'm going to find even functions and odd functions using this concept. Even functions, odd functions, how do you find? See, next interval should be in arbitrary period, interval should be 0 to l or minus l to plus l. Sir, how can I find arbitrary interval? If arbitrary interval without pi any number comes, that is arbitrary interval. With pi any interval comes, that is nothing but period, 0 to pi, like that. Without interval, if any without pi, anything will come that is orbit interval. Which pi will come means that is 0 to pi or minus pi to plus pi, we have to see. Now, I'm going to check, I'm going to do now, to check even functions, odd functions concept I'm going to do now. So it is very important, you should listen. If you know, correctly you can identify means half of the burden of this problem will come down. To check the given function, to check the given function is even or odd. To check the given function is even or odd. Now, first interval I will take. In the interval 0 to, in the interval length is 2 pi or 2l. The interval length is 2 pi or 2l. Interval length is 2 pi or 2l means, how do you simplify this? If the interval length is 2l or 2 pi means, how do you simplify? Means to check even function or function. In 0 to 2 pi means, that 2 pi means either 0 to 2 pi, see here, that 0 to 2 pi, or see here, I'm taking another one should be 0 to 2l. For these two types of intervals, these two we are looking now. If the interval should be 0 to 2 pi or 0 to 2l, one way of doing, one way concept we will use. See, we replace, if the given function is, if the given function, the given function f of x in the interval 0 to 2 pi or 0 to 2l, then we replace x by 2 pi minus x or 2l minus x. When we can replace 2 pi minus x, whenever if the given interval should be 0 to 2 pi or 0 to 2 pi means 2 pi minus x. If the interval should be 0 to 2l means replace 2l minus x respectively. The given function f of x in the interval 0 to 2 pi or 0 to 2l, then we replace x by 2 pi minus x or 2l minus x respectively. Now, if you replace f of 2 pi minus x, if I will replace f of 2 pi minus x or f of 2l minus x, f of 2 pi minus x or f of 2l minus x, then you will get f of x means even function. If you will replace f of 2 pi minus x, if x by 2 pi minus x, if you will get f of 2 pi minus x equal to f of x means even function. Minus f of x means odd function. You will not get, if it is plus f of x means even function, if it is minus f of x means odd function, you should know that. If you will not get any either plus f of x or minus f of x, then otherwise means what is that? You will not get plus f of x and you will not get minus f of x. Otherwise, neither even nor odd function. Neither even nor odd function. Neither even nor odd function. Right? So you replace x by 2l minus x or 2 pi minus x. Depends on the interval. It should be a 2l means what is that? If the number starts with normal numbers are there means that one should be arbitrary period 2l. If in terms of pi is there means that is 0 to 2 pi, like that is there means that one. F of 2 pi minus x, another one should be f of 2l minus x. Whenever 0 to 2 pi is there means you will replace 2 pi minus x. If 0 to 2l is there means we will replace 2l minus x. Now one should be plus f of x, another one should be minus f of x. When plus f of x comes means even function after replacing. Minus f of x comes means odd function. Right. For example, I'll take here say f of x equal to examples. These are all the examples. F of x equal to 2 pi minus x in interval 0 to 2 pi is there. In interval 0 to 2 pi. To check even or odd. How can I check this one? To check even or odd functions. These basics are all very important to solve the problem. How do you check? This is the question given to check even or odd functions. Now we replace x by 2 pi minus x. Why I have to replace x by 2 pi minus x? Because if the given interval should be what is that? 0 to 2 pi is there. If the given interval should be 0 to 2 pi is there, means replace x by 2 pi minus x. Now f of 2 pi minus x equal to, in the place of x, I am replacing 2 pi minus x. 2 pi minus of 2 pi minus x. If you will replace 2 pi minus of 2 pi minus x should be 2 pi minus 2 pi plus x. Now f of 2 pi minus x equal to, what is that? I am getting as 2 pi minus 2 pi get cancelled is equal to x. F of 2 pi minus x equal to x means you are not getting in the place of, what is that? F of 2 pi minus x equal to 2 pi minus x equal to that. I have to get f of x. Here what I am getting, which is not equal to f of x, which is not equal to minus f of x. Am I right? You see, in the place of x, what I have to put? 2 pi minus x. After replacing, I am getting x. Is it here in the place of f of x, or the 2 pi minus x is there? F of 2 pi minus x equal to only x that we are getting, which is not equal to f of x, which is not equal to minus f of x. Now I can say that f of x is neither even. Already I told that otherwise it is not plus f of x, it is not minus f of x, means that function I can say that f of x is neither even nor odd function. F of x is neither even nor odd function. F of x is neither even nor odd function. F of x is neither even nor odd function. Right. Next, second example I'll take. F of x equal to pi minus x. F of x equal to pi minus x in interval 0 to 2 pi. In interval 0 to 2 pi. Now, how can I replace? Replace x by 2 pi minus x. If you replace x by 2 pi minus x, f of 2 pi minus x equal to pi minus of 2 pi minus x. Why? Why I am replacing x by 2 pi minus x? Here interval should be 0 to 2 pi is there. 0 to 2 pi is there. That's the way. Now, if I replace this, f of 2 pi minus x equal to pi minus 2 pi plus x I'll get. Now, again, if I simplify this, pi minus 2 pi is minus pi plus x, I'll write. Minus pi plus x. Now, I can write this one, say, f of 2 pi minus x equal, I'll take minus outside. So, if you take minus outside, pi minus x, I am getting. What is the value of pi minus x? You can look here. What is the value of pi minus x? Is nothing but f of x. F of 2 pi minus x equal to, f of 2 pi minus x equal to minus f of x. F of 2 pi minus x equal to minus f of x. Now I can say that f of x is, f of 2 pi minus x equal to minus f of x means what I told. Already I told that if f of 2 pi minus x equal to minus f of x means that function I'll call it as odd function. That function I'll call it as odd function. F of x is odd function, I'll call. F of x is odd function. Right. So now, so this is a way of finding. How do you find even functions, odd functions in the given intervals? Now, next one more example also we will see. How do you check the given function is even function or odd functions? Right. Next problem should be one more problem we will take. Right. F of x equal to, third one, f of x equal to x into 2 pi minus x. X into 2 pi minus x in interval 0 to 2 pi. In interval 0 to 2 pi. How do you check here? The given function is even function or odd function. Now replace here, interval should be 0 to pi is that replace x by 2 pi minus x. If you replace x by 2 pi minus x, f of 2 pi minus x equal to, in the place of x, I will put 2 pi minus x into 2 pi minus of 2 pi minus x, I will write. Now f of 2 pi minus x equal to 2 pi minus x into 2 pi minus 2 pi plus x, I will write. Now plus 2 pi minus 2 pi get cancelled means f of 2 pi minus x equal to 2 pi minus x into x, that is x into 2 pi minus x. X into 2 pi minus x. What is that value of x into 2 pi minus x? X into 2 pi minus x. What is the value of x into 2 pi minus x is nothing but f of 2 pi minus x equal to, what is that? That should be write as f of x. F of 2 pi minus x equal to f of x. It is, what is that? F of x comes means even function. Even function. Now, this is a way of finding how the given functions are all even functions or odd functions. This is the way we will find given functions is even functions or odd functions. I'll do one problem in the arbitrary interval. How do you find the even function, odd functions in the arbitrary intervals? Right. Okay, this is sufficient. We will see arbitrary when problems comes. That time we'll see that arbitrary interval problems. Right. Next one should be. Next one is we have to take. Interval should be minus pi to plus pi is there. How do you find even functions and odd functions? We'll see. If next one. If the given intervals are minus pi to plus pi or minus L to plus L, minus L to plus L, minus L to the given intervals are minus pi to plus pi or minus L to plus L. How do you find even functions or odd functions? Even functions or odd functions. Even functions or odd functions. How do you find? Right. Now see, I forgot to tell here. Here I am replacing what is that? X by 2 pi minus x. If this arbitrary interval means we can replace in the place of pi 2l. The place of pi 2l. Suppose in the place of x only l is there. Sorry, x into 2l minus x is there. The time we will replace same thing only. Here interval should be 0 to 2l. X into 2l minus x comes. We'll replace here what is that? Replace x by 2l minus x. That's all. I didn't do arbitrary separately. So same way you have to continue here. Right now I'll switch over to minus pi to plus pi or minus L to plus L. How do you write this one? I explained for 0 to 2 pi or 0 to 2l. For this, how do you write? Whenever the given interval should be minus pi to plus pi is that means. Now replace x by minus x in f of x. What is f of x? F of x is the given function. F of x is the given function in minus pi comma plus pi or minus L to plus L. Now replace x by minus x in f of x. F of minus x equal to, first one I will write it as minus x. F of x is odd, plus x, f of x is even. F of x is even. f of minus x equal to, sorry, here I have to write minus f of x plus f of x. One is minus f of x means I can write minus f of x means I can say that odd function, plus f of x means I can say that that should be even function. So it is not minus f of x, it is not plus f of x means I can say that it is not equal to, it is otherwise, right here, otherwise f of x is, otherwise f of x is neither even nor odd function. Otherwise f of x is neither even nor odd. Neither even nor odd function. Whenever it is not even function, it is not odd function means I can say that time f of x is neither even nor odd function. Right, examples. Examples we will look. So first example should be, first example is example 1. F of x equal to modulus of x in minus pi to plus pi. Minus pi to plus pi I am giving here. How do you simplify this? See, whenever minus 2 plus any limits comes, minus 2 plus, how do you check even function? Here we can write, check even or odd function. Check even or odd function. How do you check this one? See, we'll replace. So f of x equal to, what is that, modulus of x, replace x by minus x. So we'll replace x by minus x, f of minus x equal to modulus of minus x. What is that modulus of minus x equal to? Modulus of f of minus x equal to, modulus of minus x should be x. Modulus of minus x should be x. So that one only I'll write it as plus f of x. Now f of modulus of minus x equal to f of x. Now I can say that f of x is even function. F of x is even function. Next, second question I'll take. F of x equal to some x cube, I'll take x cube in minus 3 to plus 3, I'll write. Check even or odd function. Check even or odd function. How do you check it? The given function f of x is even or odd function means we'll take f of x equal to, here say replace x by minus x. Replace x by minus x. If we'll replace x by minus x, f of minus x equal to minus x whole cube. Minus x whole cube is nothing but minus x cube. Now I'll write f of minus x equal to minus of x cube is nothing but minus f of x. So now f of minus x equal to minus f of x means f of x is odd function. F of x is odd function. Whenever f of x is odd function, I can say that so minus f of x is odd function. I think you understood. Only two examples I have given here. Here, this interval should be arbitrary. Whatever it should be, an arbitrary interval or minus pi to plus pi, whatever it may be. So we can, if it starts with minus 2 plus or minus infinity to plus infinity, whatever it may be, we can replace x by minus x. In these cases, if you find whether the given function is even function or odd function, the intervals, whatever it may be, how do you write the formulas? So once you'll find even function, odd functions, then how do you write the formulas? Right. Formulas. Sorry. Right. Formulas for even or odd functions in 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 the length of in interval in interval, either it should be over that 0 to 2 pi or minus pi to plus pi. If it is even function or odd function, you will identify afterwards. I am telling it 0 to 2 pi or minus pi to plus pi. Totally, the interval length should be formulas for even function, odd function in 0 to 2 pi or minus pi to plus pi. Here you will write, first I will write even function, and next one should be what that odd function. Here the coefficients I will write. One should be, here I am writing function. Here a naught, and next one should be an, and next one should be bn. Right, a naught is nothing but if it is even means I will write 2 by pi into integration of 0 to pi into f of x into dx. I will write 2 by pi into integration of 0 to pi into f of x. But it should be 0 to pi or minus pi to plus pi. Next here 2 by pi into integration of 0 to pi into f of x into cos nx. I will write. Similarly, bn is 0 whenever it is even function. Odd function means I will write a naught is 0, an is 0. Only bn I want to find. Bn is nothing but 2 by pi into integration of 0 to pi f of x into sine nx into dx. Here I didn't write dx into dx. Sine nx into dx. This is the formula table for the given functions. Right. Formulas. See next one. Formulas for even or odd functions in interval 0 to 2l or minus L to plus L. The interval should be formulas for even or odd functions in the interval 0 to 2l or minus L to plus L. That time here I will write function. Similarly, a naught, next one should be an, next one should be bn. Now here I will write even function, and next one should be odd function. Even function or odd function. A naught is nothing but 2 by L into integration of 0 to L into f of x into dx. Next one should be 2 by L into integration of 0 to L into f of x into cos n pi x by L into dx. Cos n pi x by L into dx. Bn should be here 0. Here odd function means this is 0, 2 by L into integration of 0 to L into sine n pi x by L into dx. So then afterwards, what that f of x equal to, you will write now a naught by 2, that is same, it will not change. While finding coefficients, even function, odd function, if you will find, it is very easy. If it is a even function means only will find a naught an, bn value will keep directly 0. If it is odd function means we'll find only bn value, a naught an value, so I'll keep directly 0. Right. If it is in this case also, what is that? Extra term should be n pi x by L will come. N pi x by L you will get. So this is a way of, if you'll find even function, odd function means, then it's very easy to identify how do you simplify the problems, Fourier series problems.